Discover the Boulevardier Cocktail, where bourbon's warmth meets Campari's allure, all balanced by sweet vermouth. Are you ready for the intrigue? Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Celebrate TV Cocktail Friday. I'm your host, Peter Lee. Today, our celebration is all about an older cocktail that really needs to come back into the limelight. We're making the Boulevardier. What is a Boulevardier? Well, it's similar to a Negroni, and it shares two of its three ingredients. The difference is it uses bourbon or rye whiskey as its principal instead of gin. Now, the creation of it is credited to Erskine Gwynne, who is an American-born writer who founded a monthly magazine in Paris called the Boulevardier, which appeared from 1927 to 1932. We're going to start with my glass of ice. We're going to add some bourbon. Here's mine, my favorite. We just need 1.5 ounces, 45 mils. There we go. Right into our glass. Next ingredient is Campari. What's Campari? This is what it looks like. This is an Italian liqueur. It's very bitter, but it has a lot of deep flavor and it's delicious in a lot of different cocktails. We just need 1 ounce, 30 mils. Right in our glass. Finally, sweet vermouth. This is the kind I like. Let me take a moment and talk about vermouths. Now, vermouth, whether it's sweet or dry, they are fortified wines. And a lot of people think that they will last on your shelf or in your cupboard forever, and that's not true. Once you open this bottle, the clock starts ticking. You need to keep them both refrigerated after opening. It even says so on the label now, and quite often they give you a place where you can write the date where you opened it, and that's very important. Sweet vermouth, if you keep it chilled, you'll get 5, maybe 6 weeks out of it, less time for dry vermouth. Today we're using sweet, 1 ounce, 30 mils. Now all we have to do is give this a really good stir until it's chilled. All right, this is nice and chilled. Now how are we going to serve this? We're going to serve this in a rocks glass over fresh ice. Let me fill it with some ice, and we're going to strain this. Beautiful. And we want to give it a little garnish. We're going to start with a little strip of orange peel. And we're going to give it a little squeeze. Get those oils in there. Right in it goes. And then, traditionally, some maraschino cherries right on top like that. Now let's give a little taste, shall we? That is really, really good. Wow. It's very complex. The first thing, you smell the orange from squeezing that orange peel over the top, and it blends really well with the bitterness from the Campari, but that's all rounded out from the bourbon and the sweet vermouth. Delicious. One more sip. All right, if you like this episode, if you learned something, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that notification bell, and you'll get a new episode every single week. Now, I'm going to go put my feet up and enjoy my cocktail. While I do that, I want you to watch some of these episodes over here. So until next time, everyone, cheers.